This is not a test. This is your national broadcasting system promulgating the commencement of Russo imperilment sanctioned by the Ruddish Gluckestagen of the Federal Republic of Landersou. All high officials, such as the Diamond Authority and the RUZs too, are given sanction to prepare. Lockdown has been declared until 10:30 p.m. G Mount 8 tomorrow. Any emergency accommodations will be unavailable until the lockdown ends. Oh, blessed be the Ruddish people of the Federal Republic of Russo, men and women. May God bless each and every one of us.